And here we are in the Everglades, trying to start a fire with the most primitive of methods. And then, lo and behold, what do I see? Somebody in the 21st century using electricity. Delivery toy number 2. This one did come with, actually they destroyed my front letterbox posting it through, but this one actually came with loads of bubble wrap. We don't need to see bubble wrap, do we? We will see bubble wrap. This is a lighter, torch, waterproof, rechargeable thingy. Now I forgot I bought these things because it was 2 weeks ago. This has got a belt clip on it. It's got a lanyard, so you can stick it through, wherever the hell you stick it through there. It has also got, it's a bit tricky, there's no instructions whatsoever, so be warned. That is, I mean that is, it's only been charged up for about 10 minutes, so that is, this is broad daylight, so that is extremely bright. Very strong, solid plastic case, waterproof completely. Now to open it, be warned, don't try to pull it out, it doesn't come out. So what you do, slide with a button, you flick this bit down, see that? That releases it. You then push the button, it releases the top, which then gives you access to, you can see that or not, very windproof, wind resistant, and yeah, it works. I've already created quite a few things with this, and to recharge it, don't take it out, it doesn't come out, it wants to stay in. On that side, there is your USB charging socket. Focus, focus. And it comes with a nice little, yet another USB-C, USB charger. So that is a really nice toy. I mean, camping essential. What I like about all this stuff is that there's no bits that need refilling apart from electric. And if you've got yourself a hand crank, I said crank, then you can always recharge it if it does run out. So that is a very nice piece of kit. I mean, I like doubling up on the essentials. How to start a fire and illumination are essential. And that thing, as long as you've got a hand crank to recharge it, you're sorted. It was $185 priced up at, and it was, I think, 4 or 5 quid shipping. So the total price of that one was £6.73, and it's brilliant. I had a quick look because they always change the prices. That's why I can't do links to the actual thing, because they change the price constantly. So that was a $185. It is currently for sale at 60 pence. Exactly the same thing, 60p. Shipping is $4.85, so that would be a total of £5.45. I pay $6.73. So it's actually over a quid cheaper right now. And it's the same one, exactly the same, you click on it, but they have discounts constantly. So it's a brilliant little thing. For the sake of a fiver, okay, I spent £6.73. For a rechargeable lighter, I did get another arc lighter. That should be here at some point. They're both coming from the same factory in France. So, yeah. Total price of my 2 fire sticks is $6.73 and $4.98. So we're talking about 11 quid. And I'm going to be spending more on that. Just got back from hospital as well after having my leg x-rayed. Same old bollocks, you know. You're on welfare, deal with it. And here we are in the Everglades, trying to start a fire with the most primitive of methods. And then, lo and behold, what do I see? Somebody in the 21st century using electricity to make fire. Whatever would be next? Illumination from electricity. Who would have thought it? And even let's go. You know, you can have your strikes and your sparks and all the rest of it, or you can enter the 21st century. Just a thought. And if it does run out of electric, I can just recharge it.